Yun guys. After ng ilang oras na paghihintay, ito ano na kami, pasakay na ng ferry itong pasakay namin, tapos kami din napapasok na nila yun. Lakili.
Thinking about getting prepared. That was the topic of the day. It was fun to that again. Not having earthquakes, that is, but having themes trying to get their place in the playoffs.
Dami din pala.
Making the breakup. Which is going to be
Dami din pala, no?
in November at BC Place. So that's right. What we got?
Naisip ko baka malunod yung barko. Igat ang makarga eh.
Dami. Dami ding mga guys, sasakyan na sasakay dito sa barko na yun. Ayan na guys, oh. Tayo. Okay. Tayo. So guys, dito tayo sa loob ng barko. So yung guys, dito na kami sa bumaba na kami ng sasakyan ba. Tapos guys, ito makikita niyo to, daming daming sasakyan. Ha? Ayun ano na rito sa loob ba. Ayun. Marami nga gandun sa dulo. Ayun.
It was so much down. Good, how are you?
Ito yung
I got two little ones with me today.
Ha? Yung passenger, no? Ayun, guys, Hey! Ay, meron din palang rito, guys. Ito. Ito palang amusement, no? Ayun, ito para sa mga naman to, guys. Para sa mga bata naman to, ayan. So guys, ito yung nila, guys, yung cafeteria nila. Ayun. So, dito ang dami nga nagkakain na, no? Ito yung coffee shop nila, guys. Tapos sorry. Ayun. I'll check down. Ha? You're all breakfast, ha?
I'll check downstairs.
Okay.
Okay, NW.
Daming kumakain, gawa nga ng kasasakay lang kasi. Yan, oh.
Wait,
Sandalay, yeah. Laki rin pala ng nila rito, pre. Yung kainan nila, oh. Parang cruise ship din, pre. Ayun, makapanaw mo rito, guys, oh. Hey. Malaki rin pala to, guys. Malaki. Yan. Tapos ito yung mga kainan nila. Ayan, oh. Malawak. Malawak din. Tapos ang dami naman. Ayun, pre. Anong breakfast natin, pre?
Ha?
Gutom na rin ako, pre.
Yan.
Ha? So, bali guys, yung order namin, guys.
Everything, right?
All the board.
You were over here, right?
Ito doon? Mga rice? So, how many sausage sa'yo?
Bacon.
No, bread? Oh, meron. Ito yung sa'yo pa, di ba? Thank you.
Scrambled eggs and bacon, salsa? You know salsa, right?
Oh, chocolate. Ito. Hot chocolate. Ay.
Hot chocolate?
Yeah, two
Okay, 43.22.
How much it is?
22.
Thank you. Thank you. Ano? Ayo. Hey.
That was good.
Hey. Ano? Always yung breakfast namin ngayon. Ayun o. Tapos kay Pilot. Bread lang kay Pilot yun. Bread, coffee, no?
Coffee, bread sandwich.
Oh,
Sandwich. Turkey sandwich. Turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich. Hey. Basura. What's that? Like?
No, I was looking for it.
Is there a window side?
Yeah, that's why I
No?
was looking for
Oh. Bye, huh?
Yeah, there is need to pay that one.
No, same.
Pay?
But they already have butter inside, brother. Both already butter. Ano? Number one ba? Huh?
Panalo.
Panalo. Panalo. Say panalo.
Panalo.
Okay, ito pala yung iwan natin.
bad fish curry.
So, isang pieces na ham. Tapos, 3 pirasong sausage.
When I was working, I was trying to get a job.
Sausage, tapos meron siyang salsa,
It's not easy.
tapos may potato. Dalawang ano, yung sunny side up na egg.
Big salad.
Tapos, meron siyang kasama pang chicken. Magkano pre? 17 no? 17 no? 90. Tapos to? At chocolate $2 no? $4. $4?
How much you have?
$3.
How much you have?
So $3 and $18 no? 22 lahat. 22.
of you?
22 each.
22.
Yeah. So guys to.
How
Ano na to? $22 na to. Itong chocolate tapos ito. Hindi sa isang bread. Good for ano no? Medyo marami-rami na rin naman. Hindi na sa talo.
Coffee is $3.
Hmm.
59.
Hmm.
Sandwich is $8.